Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to get Kali Linux on a bootable USB drive, how to make a bootable USB drive with Kali Linux Live on it. So specifically Kali Linux Live, not just regular Kali Linux. If you were to go into the downloads and download just regular Kali Linux, it's going to give you the option to install the operating system, but you cannot run it live. So first we're going to want to go to kali.org and just click on the download link here. And we're going to be scrolling down until we see Live Boot. We're going to click on the Live Boot option. And we're just going to download the 64-bit Kali 2023 version. And we just click on this little download button here. And then we would just save it to our desktop. As you can see, I've already just downloaded it previously so that we don't have to wait through the long download process. It usually takes about 15 minutes to download. But we would just click save. But I'm just going to click cancel here because I've already downloaded it. Next, we're going to need to get Rufus. So you'd go ahead and just type Rufus into the search engine here, RUFUS, and then we just click on the top link here. It should be rufus.ie. We'd click on this. I'm not going to download this again, I'm just showing you where to go to get it. So we'd scroll down and click on Rufus 4.1. The latest version is normally at the top here, just under the link thing in this little box that has the green along the top here. We click this and we just download the rufus.exe to the desktop. I've already done it, it's in my Kali Linux folder here, so I'm not going to bother doing that. But what you're going to want to do next is go ahead and open up Rufus. So if I just, this is the wrong folder. If I just go ahead and I'm just going to drag the Rufus onto the desktop here so you can see it. We're going to go ahead and run the rufus.exe. And it's going to bring up a little window that looks like this. And then we're going to want to go ahead and plug in a USB stick. I believe that Kali Linux needs at least 4 gig. You're probably going to want to go with 8 or higher. I think mine has about 16 gig. And as soon as you plug the USB stick in, it should be an option under device here. As you can see, it's already selected. Next, we're going to go ahead and select Free DOS as the boot selection. Then we're going to go and click on Select. And we're going to just go ahead to the desktop where we've downloaded Kali Linux Live. If I just find the desktop for a second here. Here we go. And we're just going to double click on Kali Linux Live. And it's now ready. Now it is ready to boot. We're also going to want to add a partition size here just to make it so that we can store extra stuff on here as well. I wouldn't set it too high. I'd probably just set it at 2 gigabytes. That's probably enough. If you have a bigger USB stick, you can set more. Just keep in mind you're going to want to leave at least 4 gigabytes, probably 5, just in case for Kali Linux Live itself. Next, we're just going to go ahead and click Start, I believe. We'll just go ahead and click Start. And it's going to give us a little OK window. Warning, data on drive is going to be white. We're just going to hit OK. And it'll go ahead and delete the partitions and install the bootable Live operating system onto our USB. I'll be back when it's finished loading. Alright, so it's just gone ahead and finished loading. After it's finished loading, you can just go ahead and hit close, and you now have a bootable live bootable Kali Linux USB drive. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.